We got a train, but it stopped. And we got another one coming, I think. Yeah, I think we got another one coming, I think. Yeah, I think we got another one coming. Yep, we got another train coming. Hurry up. Train, hurry up. Oh, I see it. Dad, do you think we could go on that other crossing? I want to. What? Around? Please. Or hang on. Got another. Other side of the crossing. We'll see. Here guys, we're gonna go on the other side. Going around. See you there. We're here. Train's starting to move. That's cool. Oh, if you don't hear that, but the railroad crossing has a different sound. They both have, I think the railroad conductors installed it with two different crossing sounds. Because do you want to see the bell? I don't know if you can see it from this part. You can see it like, if you don't see it, but it looks like a triangle kinda. And the other side of it, it's a circle. Train like that, dude. I've never seen a train like that. Nice. I never seen like a freight car, double-decker car, freight car. I have never seen a train like that before. Y'all gotta subscribe. You guys subscribe. I'm so sorry it's been 7 days. We've been so busy, but if I talked about that white ram, you remember in that last video? Here, 3, 2, 1, bam! you're welcome. You're welcome to see it. You can always see any of our new cars that we get. Every day that we get it. Here, let me give you one last look. Like that. Oh, and the wheels look like that. Oh wait, one more time with the wheels. Okay guys, well, I think that's gonna be the end of today's video. Drop a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See you next train video.